Hi everybody, my name is Heather OKK and today I would like to do a little science with you. We're going to learn about plants a little bit, and just like math and reading, science is a lifelong process of learning. And when we start early with science, it doesn't become so fearful for children. Just the thought of doing science can scare some people. I know it can scare me a little bit. So anyway, for today, all you're going to need is a cup of water, an empty cup. It doesn't have to be glass, just what I had. You're going to need some beans. I have lima beans. These work the best. I have tried pinto beans with this activity, but it doesn't work as well as the lima beans. You will need a baggie, food coloring, a stalk of celery, and cotton balls. All right. So for our first activity, what we are going to do is we are going to plant a little bit of our lima beans. So for this, first thing you're going to do is put cotton balls in here. And if you don't have cotton balls, don't worry. Tissue paper will work, Kleenex, toilet paper, paper towels, anything will work. This is going to work as our soil. Then we're going to pour a little bit of water in. A little bit more. We're going to get those cotton balls all wet. Okay. Then I'm going to put a couple of lima beans in here. I'm going to put 4. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to seal this. And then I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to tape it to a window. Now, what we're doing with this is we're learning what plants need to grow. So you can talk with your children, what do plants need to grow? Well, they need soil, dirt, soil, new vocabulary word. So our soil today is the cotton balls. They need water, which I provided, and they need the sun, which I'm going to tape this up into a window. And the object is not just to learn that, but to also see the changes in the seeds and how they're changing. Now, I did this one yesterday, and I'm going to put it up really close to the camera because you can see how it's starting to open up. I like using lima beans because they sprout very easily. So again, talk to your children. What do you think is going to happen if we put all this together? What do you think is going to happen to these seeds? Then talk about what do plants need to grow? Soil, water, the sun. Okay. Now, when we start talking about the parts of the plants and everything like that, which I'm not going to go over today, but you can talk about how the plant uses its roots to drink. And because children need something visual, this is where your celery is going to come in. So I have my cup. I'm going to pour my water into my cup. And then I'm going to take my food coloring. I'm going to use blue. Put a few drops in. Oh, nice and blue. Let's move my cup out of the way. And then I'm just going to put my celery inside. That's it. Now, after a couple of hours, or when you wake up tomorrow morning, the children will be able to see that their lima beans have started to open up. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I went shopping everywhere for them. I couldn't find any except for at Walmart. None of my Fry's grocery stores had lima beans, so I did go to Walmart, and it was there. So they're going to be able to see that their lima beans are starting to open up, and it takes a day or two for them to start budding, to start sprouting. And then when they wake up in the morning, they're going to be able to see the tips of the celery stalk turn blue. So that can be another discussion for you. Well, how did that happen? Then you can talk about the plants. So have fun with these activities, and remember, science starts early. You don't want them to fear the science. Have fun, everybody. And post some pictures when you're done and let me know how it works. All right. Bye-bye now.